Hi, this is Anjali Kumari, and I am going to explain my project that the call name is G Invest, which is from Solidarity from Bahrain project. So in this project, I am going to cover the deposit part because I have worked only this much. So in deposit part here, as per the client requirement or customer requirement, we have deposit. In that we need to create one treasury deposit. So in that we are covering deposit information, investment details, currencies details, how we convert currency in India to USD and any another currency. And after that we can renewal also, after that we can close also, tenure lookup also we can give, and one of the topic called as supporting document. So the meaning of that, like we are making the supporting document, how we upload. Here we can manually enter all the details and create one deposit, but in supporting document we can upload that. And the third one is deposit interest. So how we going to calculate the interest of deposit, which is based on daily or monthly. And then after that FX gain loss, which is also mentioned daily and monthly. So in that what we are doing, like we are exchange the rate of forex exchange gain, and after that we are providing credit rating. So as we know that how we deal with that, how we deal with deposit part. So on the basis of that we are going to taking any credit like A plus, B plus and C plus, like that. After that, what is the meaning of deposit transaction? Here we can create our deposit, we can renew our deposit. What is the transaction we are going to do, which is cover in that. And after that deposit amendment. So amendment is nothing but whatever we are create currency information and investment details, that part we are cover in that. And then at last deposit master data. So this is nothing but when we are create the master data, like when we are going to application, from there we are getting some lookup part, like we are entering some one or two later, and then after that we are getting all the things. So that all the data which is comes under the deposit master data type. So here I'm going to explain our like I have created this Excel file. So here I'm mentioning the business function which is going to cover. So my business function is nothing but new deposit transaction and other process. In this function, I am covering the deposit transaction along with the renewal, deposit interest, for a foreign exchange gain, credit rating, deposit amendment, and deposit master data. So, on the basis of this business function, I am going to create the business process. So these are the 9 business process we have, as I explained: treasury deposit, supporting document, deposit interest, FX gain or loss, credit rating, deposit transaction, deposit amendment, and master data. So in that also I'm covering this but past. So on the basis of that I'm creating here the scenario. So I have almost 71 scenarios on the whole part of deposit, and then on the basis of these scenarios I'm creating here test cases. So around 5 to 600 test cases I'm making. On the basis of that, here I'm mentioning the all the things in the Excel part, like such as test case ID, product, BRD reference, BRD page number, traceability metric also I'm mapping here. And according to scenarios I'm writing the test cases, unexpected, actual, all the things which are covered in the test case. So it is going to help us to test our application. So now we are coming back to our application. So here is the application for deposit part, what I am covering from the basis on the client request, and then I am preparing this test cases file on the basis of this document. Now I'm going to test on this application whatever I'm writing the test cases. So all the test cases I'm going to on application and then execute them. So first we are going here in deposit part. So from G Treasury, like this is the way to go on deposit from G Treasury. We are going to set up. So if we are going to set up, then here we can create the master data, as I say, deposit master data. So here I am working on currencies part. So see that these all are the master data I am creating. So on the basis of that only we are saying the currencies, and when we are entering in main part the currency, it is all data are fetching as per our given data, and exchange rate also, countries also. These all are the master data which we are creating first. Then we are going to deposit part. So it is comes under the G treasury. So when we are going on deposit part, so here from the new, click on new button, we can create deposit and investment. We can enter all the details according to our deposit creation, like how much amount we are giving in the deposit, and then supporting document, as I explained, like from here we can upload that. And from deposit interest, we can calculate the monthly interest and daily interest, and FX gain loss, here we can enter the data. And credit rating we can getting here. So as we can see, like before only I created some parts, so I can show that. So in that you can see here, when we are click on search, so it is from it is fetched from the lookup data, which is we are creating in master data. So all are the things here comes under the deposit ID, and once we are creating one deposit, we are getting one ID FD number. On the basis of this number, we can see our deposit status, like where we are deposit, what is the status of our deposit. And here we can see the monthly interest and daily interest according to that given data for deposit. And here foreign exchange gain loss, all things we can see here only, change request and all. So these are all the brief introduction about my project. So these all are the my deposit projects. So that's all from my side. Thank you.